Are you ready? Let's look at how simple it is to complete a course with CJK. Go to cjkfireandsafety.com.au. From the home page, navigate to Courses. You can view all courses, or filter them by category. When you have found the course you want, click the Enroll Now button. This will take you to the course information page where you can see the description, learning outcomes, approximate length and price. Click the Enroll in this course button to proceed. This will take you to the cart screen where you can review your course selection. The X will let you remove the course and the Continue Shopping button will let you add others. If you have a coupon code, you can enter it here. Review your selection, then click Proceed to checkout. You will need to have your credit card details next. Enter your name and address. Then enter your payment details. Or if you are a returning student, you can log back in. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then click Place Order. Your payment will be processed and your order will be confirmed on screen and via email. You can also set your new password. If you require a tax invoice, please send your request via email. Back at the CJK website, select My Courses at the top of the screen to go to My Education profile. Here you will see your courses and progress. Click the course name to open it. Scroll down to see the content and quiz. Click on the content link. A new window will open. When you're ready to begin, click Launch. You don't need to complete the course in one sitting, you can access it as many times as you like. Enter your name, then click the Start Course button. Watch the instructions, then click Next. Work your way down through the course. You can use the Next and Previous buttons, or you can navigate using the menu on the left, working from top to bottom. Once you have completed the course content, you can begin the multiple choice quiz. You may need to refresh your screen. Select an answer for each question. Your results will be displayed at the end. Your course is complete when you have all the questions marked as correct. Back on the main page, you will see that a notice has appeared saying, "You've earned a certificate." Click the Download Certificate button to generate and save your certificate.